guys, this is Pamela and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say hello and welcome to my channel. Well, if you've been with me long enough, you know I love yarn. I love to crochet, and I'm very excited about what I'm going to show you today because it is a sponsored review. It's by Hobbii. Yay! It's a really big bag. I got to pick out from, I don't know, a list of yarns. And honestly, I don't remember what I picked because it's been a few weeks. But anyway, let's take a look and see what kind of yarns they have or that they sent me. So, sorry if it makes a lot of noise, the bag, but you know, that's just the way plastic is. Ooh, I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Ooh, you guys ought to know what one of the first colors it is that I see in here. Alrighty, let's see what I got. Oh, there's some beautiful colors in here. Beautiful stuff. Okay, we have Hobbii Everyday Acrylic XL 100% acrylic. And of course, it would be this color, right? The color is 18. And here is another one in white. Let's see what it says about them. Feels good. I like it. They are, well, I said 100% acrylic, right? It's a medium full weight yarn and it's 218 yards in here. So I'll leave the links and the prices in the description box if you're interested in any of these yarns, okay? So I don't have the price lists with me to show you here in the video, but I will show it to you, or I will put it in the description box below. And I'll probably go ahead and make a comment and pin it to the top so that in case you're not sure how to find the description box, you can just go to the very top comment and I'll leave it there. All right, let's see what other beautiful yarns. Oh yeah, keep it coming. This is beautiful. Looky. Yay, I love it. Woo! This color looks similar to my Everly shawl that I have over there. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. And it feels good. This is Friends Cotton Silk Print. Friends Cotton Silk Print. That's why it feels good. It's not only just cotton, but it's got some silk in it. How cool is that? The color on this one is 09. Let's see what it says. It's a 3-like. 77% cotton and 23% silk and 131 yards. Or it could be 133. I'm not sure. It is very small. But that color is, what did I say, 09? Did I say 09? What did I say? Yeah, I said 09. Color is 09 and this color is 07. And they are beautiful and they feel good. Look at that. You know a shawl is coming with that, most likely, right? All right, what else do we have in this big old bag? Oh, they sent me some candy. I like eating this candy at church during the church service. Oh, here's a bigger. No, it's the same one. Friends Cotton, yeah. Look at that color. Woo-wee. Isn't that pretty? It's a pretty pink. I like it. I think I see another one back here. All right. Oh, the label fell off of it. What is this? There's a label. Here's a pink one. Label fell off. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. If you guys haven't seen this yarn here yet, you need to check it out. I will do a little sample with this yarn. I love it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, and the color of this pink one is 03. So in that, so far, I've got pink, green, and blue. Aren't they pretty? Very pretty. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, looks like there's a couple of these. Cotton King Sultan Solid, a world of majestic yarn. Look at that. That is like a fuchsia, is what that is. And then baby pink. And what does it say about this? Ooh, it's a 2 fine. And it's definitely like little strands, loose strands. They're not winded together. I'm not sure what they call that, but you guys know. This color is 10, and this color is 12. It says 100% cotton, and 437 yards in here. Very nice. I like it. So I bet I have a shawl or something in mind with this one, most likely. Ooh, look at this big one. Let's see, I think there might be 2 of them. Oh yeah, look at that. A dark purple and a light purple. And it's Mega XL 100% acrylic Hobbii everyday. Yeah, well that feels good too. This would definitely make a great blanket. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this would make a great blanket. The color is 33 on this one. And what do we got on this one? 32. 33 and 32. And it says, how many yards are in here? This is made in Turkey, by the way. Here we go. Medium full weight, 100% acrylic, 874 yards. 874 yards for these babies. Look at that. Bigger than my head. That is so cool. I would probably say 99% that this is going to be a blanket. Baby blanket. Most likely. Okay, so the 2 I have left, and that's all that's in here. I guess it's the same stuff. The label's off of this one. Let's go with this one. Friends Cotton Silk Print 01. So I chose that one. So now we're looking at it. Here's my, oops, I gotta have a green in there. There's the 4 colors I must have picked. Aren't they pretty? Look at that. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so neat. Oh, they're gonna be beautiful. Wow, you just kind of combine those colors together in a project. You could do them separately. They're just beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the Friends Cotton Silk. This is the solid color. This is the print. But I just wanted to show you how well this works up. Look at that. It's just beautiful. It's so soft. You guys are going to love this. Absolutely love this. And it wears very well. Gonna feel good against your body. So to be able to make a shawl or anything like that in this, a scarf, you're going to love it. Okay, that's the beautiful yarns that I got. I appreciate them, Hobbii, so much. And I will put my hook to a few of these for you guys and show you what they're like. I can just say, just by looking at them, I love every single one of them. And I can see where some of them are going to be great for scarves, shawls, blankets, you name it, that kind of stuff. And yeah, amigurumi. This is kind of a thick full weight. I know it says full weight. It seems like it's kind of a thick full weight. It's the same as that one, I guess. Yeah. But they sure feel good. They're nice and soft. I like that. Okay, guys. Thank you for hanging in here and watching the review of the Hobbii yarns. I love them. Thank you, Hobbii, so much for sending these to me. And I just can't wait to make some beautiful projects with these things. Guys, go check out the links and see, you know, check it out. Check out the prices. And I'm sure you're going to find something you like. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.